Okay, so out here in the garage we have our cutting station set up, and so we just have a really tiny little hole right here, and this will be able to fit our tub shower bib. And so this is a diamond drill bit, and so as you can see, if you can see the sparkly diamonds, this is going to help us cut through the tile. And so you can use these dry or wet. There are a bunch of different varieties, and so I would suggest picking one of these up. They're kind of expensive, and so that's kind of the toughest part. Is if you're doing a lot of tiling projects, then go ahead and buy a really expensive one. But if you're only doing a few tiling projects, then this one, which was about 20 bucks, is probably the drill bit for you. And so we've got our nice drill here, and then it also comes with this special feature kind of template, as well as it is kind of a water holder. And so it's got an adhesive strip right here, and so we're going to be able to align this directly over our hole. It's going to help guide, because as you notice, this doesn't have a center drill bit, and typically those center drill bits will help you stay on target, whereas this doesn't, so it could wobble around. So this will act to keep this in place, and it'll also act as a little reservoir to hold water for us. And so that's really nice, because it'll keep the drill bit nice and cool and hopefully last a lot longer. So let's get started. I'm gonna peel the adhesive off. And stick it right over my hole. Don't want any water to leak out. I get some water in there. You can always add more. And so now I'm going to pop this in my drill. And then sometimes this could kick up dust, especially if you're doing it dry. So I would recommend wearing a dust mask for safety. I'm gonna throw this on, and I also have my safety glasses on. Okay, so I'm gonna start off pretty slow. Okay, so that's it. And as soon as I got through, all the water drained out. So that's kind of how I knew when I was done. So we should be able to lift this up. Looks like it's holding on a little bit. There we go. And there we go. We got a little hole. So we're going to take this off and fit it on our wall now.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.